again, welcome back to our channel. I just wanted to share with you today a review of a Luvele Yoghurt Maker. If you had seen any of my previous videos, you'd seen that I used a Easy Yogurt Maker, just one of those pot ones to make yogurt. But I was having, after that video, I had a couple of fails. I think some of the commercial yogurts were not as good as they used to be. They've changed the recipe, I don't know, but it wasn't setting. So for Christmas, I decided to buy myself a Luvele Yoghurt Maker. I went for the one with the 4 pots because I thought, well, they'll be stay fresher. I wouldn't have to open one big pot all at once. And I found that it makes lovely, thick Greek yogurt. You don't even have to strain it. So I'll go through the process of making the yogurt and show you how easy it is. So to start the process of making Greek yogurt, I have 1.5 litres of fresh full cream milk in a saucepan on the stove, and we need, according to the Luvele recipe site, we need to keep this simmering at 82 degrees Celsius. And I have my thermometer from Temu, not quite there yet. It's recommended that you sterilise all the pots and utensils that you're going to use, the lids, with some boiling water. So once the milk has cooled and reached approximately 40 degrees Celsius, that's just about right, then we add, and I use starter culture. The one I have is from the Cheese Maker. It's a company in Perth, so it didn't have to travel too far. I keep it in the freezer, and I have divided it up into approximately 3/4 of a teaspoon amounts, because that's what I need for my 1.5 litres of milk. And you give that a good whisk. Make sure it's mixed in well. And then I spoon it into my, trying not to spill it, into my ceramic pots. Pop on all the lids. And then place the pots into the yogurt maker. Then you need to fill it with water, but just to the line. And there is a line indicator at the back. It's difficult to see, I must admit. And of course, if you take one of the pots out, it changes it. It's just in there, so it's probably easier just to feel it where it's up to. Unless you have really good eyesight. But I need my glasses for this. And I don't know if you can see it. It'll probably go out of focus, but it's just there. So that's to the top of the line. Place on the lid, turn it on, and then you just select here for the time. I want 12 hours, which I've found works really well. And the temperature, 38. And then you just press confirm there and it starts. And that's it for 12 hours. You will know if it's you've pressed the confirm button, and really it's just a quick touch. The indicator will flash between the time and the temperature, and that means it's working. After 12 hours, you take the pots out carefully, because the water is quite warm, and put them in the fridge for at least 6 hours. I put mine in overnight. You don't move the yogurt maker while it's processing. You leave it in the one place, and after 6 hours overnight in the fridge, then you'll have lovely creamy Greek yogurt. So there you go, it's that simple, and you don't need many ingredients, just milk. Though I do put a teaspoon of honey in, and the starter culture, of course. And it makes lovely, as I said before, lovely thick Greek yogurt that you don't even need to strain, unless you want it really, really thick, but it just makes it really nice. So that's my review of my Luvele Yoghurt Maker. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. God bless you.